Welcome back to Smart Dollar Mindset, where we talk about building financial freedom through smart money habits and investing. In today's video, we're tackling a big one: 100 things you should stop buying if you want to save serious money. Now, this isn't about living with zero joy. It's about cutting out wasteful spending, breaking bad habits, and redirecting that money toward your financial future. By the time we're done, you'll see just how much cash is leaking out of your budget, and how quickly you can turn things around. Let's dive right in. Category 1, Food and Amp. Drink food is one of the biggest budget killers. Here are the things to stop buying if you want to save money. Daily takeout coffee. Brewing at home costs cents compared to $5 at a cafe. Bottled water. A reusable water bottle saves hundreds a year. Energy drinks. Besides being unhealthy, they drain your wallet. Fast food lunches. Packing your own meal is cheaper and healthier. Name brand groceries when generics taste identical. Pre-cut fruits and veggies. Convenience costs double. Expensive snacks at gas stations. Buy in bulk instead. Alcohol at restaurants. A single cocktail often costs as much as a bottle at home. Delivery fees. Cooking at home eliminates the $5, $10 surcharge every time. Meal kits. They're convenient but marked up compared to buying ingredients yourself. Real life example: someone who spends $10 a day on lunch and $5 on coffee racks up $375 a month. Switch to home meals and brewing coffee? You've just saved $4,500 a year. Category 2, Subscriptions and Amp. Entertainment. Multiple streaming services. Pick one or rotate monthly. Unused gym memberships. Exercise at home or outdoors. Magazine subscriptions you don't read. Music services when free options exist. Cable TV, streaming is cheaper. In-app purchases for mobile games. Audiobook memberships you rarely use. Libraries offer free downloads. Premium features and apps you don't need. Subscription boxes. They feel fun but add clutter. Extended free trials you forgot to cancel. Example: the average American spends $219 per month on subscriptions, often forgetting about them. Cutting unused ones can save $1,000 plus per year. Category 3, Clothing and Amp. Accessories. Fast fashion pieces that fall apart quickly. Seasonal trendy outfits you'll never wear again. Designer handbags bought on impulse. Excessive shoes when you only wear a few pairs. Dry cleaning for clothes that could be machine washed. Expensive workout clothes that don't improve performance. Jewelry you rarely wear. Duplicate coats or jackets. Accessories you forget you own. Hats, scarves, or gloves you already have in multiples. Transition. Clothing is one of the easiest areas to overspend because it's emotional. But sticking to timeless, durable, and versatile items saves thousands. Category 4, Home and Amp. Lifestyle. Brand new furniture when second-hand options are just as good. Excessive throw pillows and blankets. Single-use kitchen gadgets. Expensive cleaning products instead of DIY solutions. Scented candles and air fresheners. Paper towels when reusable cloth works. Fancy dishes you never use. Bottled cleaning sprays when refills are cheaper. Duplicate sets of utensils and cookware. Seasonal decorations bought every year. Example: a family spending $200 each holiday season on decorations could save $2,000 over 10 years by reusing what they already have. Category 5, Transportation. Leasing cars. Buying used is far cheaper in the long run. Premium fuel for cars that don't require it. Car washes, wash it at home. Brand new cars that depreciate instantly. Expensive parking downtown. Use public transport when possible. Ride hailing for short trips, walk instead. Overpaying for luxury insurance. Vehicle upgrades like spoilers and rims. Roadside snacks and drinks on every trip. GPS devices when your phone does the same thing. Powerful transition. Cars aren't investments, they're expenses. The less you sink into them, the faster you'll reach your savings goals. Category 6, Tech and Amp. Gadgets. Annual phone upgrades. Keep your phone until it breaks. Brand new laptops when refurbished models work fine. Expensive phone cases and accessories. Portable chargers you don't use. Premium headphones you don't need. Smart home devices that add little value. Excessive chargers and cords. New TVs every 2 years. Video game consoles you rarely use. Paid apps with free alternatives. Category 7, Beauty and Amp, personal care salon hair coloring every month. Learn to do it at home. Expensive perfumes. High-end skincare with identical ingredients to cheaper brands. Manicures and pedicures every week. Luxury shampoos. Beard grooming services, DIY saves hundreds. Fake nails and extensions. Spot treatments. Excessive makeup palettes. Teeth whitening kits instead of professional dental cleaning. Category 8, Health and Amp, fitness diet pills and miracle supplements. Expensive protein powders when cheaper options work. Boutique fitness classes. Branded water bottles. Supplements you don't really need. Fitness trackers if you never use the data. Premium yoga mats. Fancy athletic shoes for casual wear. Personal trainers when free online programs exist. Detox teas that don't work. Category 9, Travel and Amp, leisure first-class flights. Overpriced souvenirs. Theme park merchandise. Luxury hotels when midrange is fine. Travel insurance for unnecessary coverage. Frequent weekend getaways that strain your budget. Duty-free items. Tourist traps. Guided tours you could do yourself. Overpriced airport food. Category 10, Random wasteful spending, lottery tickets. Impulse purchases at checkout lines. Extended warranties. Greeting cards for every occasion. Excessive gifts beyond your means. Plastic bags when you can bring your own. Cigarettes or vaping. Fancy pens or stationery you never use. Trinkets and souvenirs that gather dust. Anything bought to keep up with the Joneses. Final thoughts. As you take charge of your spending, envision the possibilities that come with each small change. Every dollar saved is a step toward greater independence and peace of mind. Allow yourself to focus on what truly enhances your life, whether it's experiences, relationships, or personal growth. Consider how each skipped impulse purchase brings you closer to financial security. Picture setting aside those funds for meaningful experiences, perhaps a family vacation or a course that fuels your passions. Remember, every time you make a conscious choice to forego unnecessary spending, you're investing in opportunities that truly matter. This mindset shift will empower you to view money not as a means to acquire temporary satisfaction, but as a vehicle for long-term fulfillment. Embrace this journey and celebrate each victory, no matter how small, because these decisions will ultimately lead you to a life rich in freedom and purpose. By redirecting your focus, you begin to see the potential of your finances transform from a burden into a source of opportunities. Consider the joy of exploring hobbies or the relief of knowing that you're prepared for the unexpected. With each mindful decision, you open doors to experiences that will fill your life with lasting happiness and satisfaction. As you reflect on your journey toward financial freedom, understand that it's not about sacrifice, it's about aligning your spending with your values. Embrace the notion that true wealth is measured by the experiences you cherish and the security you build for your future. If you found value in this video, don't forget to subscribe to Smart Dollar Mindset, where we help you master money, save more, invest wisely, and achieve financial independence. Turn on notifications so you never miss strategies that could change your financial life.